फिल्म सिटी नोएडा स्थित मार्वा स्टूडियो में 3 दिवसीय गैरे ग्लोबल लिटरेट फेस्टिवल नोएडा 2025 के आखिरी दिन के आखिरी सत्र में भव्य फैशन शो का आयोजन किया गया। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ हुई। इस अवसर पर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, फेस्टिवल प्रेसिडेंट एंड चांसलर आफ्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स, डॉक्टर नीरज ए शर्मा, अनेरी काउंसिल जनरल ऑफ फ्लाउज मीटी बाग, डॉक्टर राखी आनंद, नीलम बेरी, डॉक्टर हिमानी चौधरी सहित अन्य वरिष्ठ अतिथि उपस्थित रहे। कार्यक्रम में आफ्ट रनवे स्पेशल एडिशन न्यूज़लेटर का पोस्टर भी लॉन्च किया गया। फैशन शो की विशेष झांकियों में शेक्सपियर थीम के तहत साहित्य और क्लासिकल आर्ट्स को प्रतिनिधियों के माध्यम से जीवित किया गया। मिर्जापुर थीम में देसी अंदाज और इंडियन स्टाइल की खूबसूरती का झलक देखने को मिली। वहीं डेनिम कलेक्शन ने मॉडर्न और यूथफुल स्टाइल का रंग बिखेरा, जबकि पार्टी वियर आउटफिट्स ने रैम्प को ग्लैमर और एलिगेंस से रोशन कर दिया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने कहा, फैशन शो केवल रैम्प वॉक तक सीमित नहीं, बल्कि ये युवाओं की रचनात्मक आत्मविश्वास और नए विचारों की झलक है। शो ने एक बार फिर साबित कर दिया है कि हमारी फैकल्टी और छात्र न सिर्फ मेहनती हैं, बल्कि विश्वास स्तर प्रतिभा के धनी भी हैं। इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में शामिल है सभी फैकल्टी सदस्यों, छात्रों और पूरी टीम को मैं दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। इस दौरान कार्यक्रम के दूसरे हॉल में अतिथिगण को देश के विविध व्यंजनों का स्वाद भी परोसा गया। कार्यक्रम के अंत में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा द्वारा अतिथिगणों को फेस्टिवल मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया गया।
See, the last item of 11 Global Literary Festivals was the fashion show. And I'm so happy that AFT School of Fashion and Design, they have performed and they have prepared this fashion show so beautifully. It was fantastic, marvelous, out of the world. The presentation, the performance on stage, the garments, designing, colors. My God, I think the show was no less than any international show. And I'm happy that all the guests who were here from all over India and abroad, they have appreciated each and every garment, each and every session, each and every segment of this fashion show. And I bless these students. They have done a commendable job, and I can say that it was a marvelous ending of 11 Global Literary Festival. What a great show. I can only say that when see it takes us almost a year to start thinking, planning, designing different kind of programs, different kind of sessions, segments, and then we have to start preparing the resources, and then we start involving different schools, segments, people, and other departments to create a great international show like this. It takes around about 3 months rigorous preparation by almost 300 people to actually create a havoc like this. Otherwise, you will not be able to give this kind of a non-stop, flawless performance on every stage possible. Whether it was Suraj Prakash Marwa Sahitya Ratan Award, whether it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Award for Promotion of Art and Culture, whether it's been a fashion show, seminars, workshop, painting exhibition, photography exhibition, whether it's been a handicraft show, whether it's been eating stalls, everything needs a lot of attention. Minutely, we have to work, design, plan the cost, budget, space, and I'm happy that I take full interest into planning these festivals, because that's my forte now. I've done more than 100 international shows in this campus, or I've been associated with it, and I'm happy that we have created a world record this time by releasing 4 books which were fortunately written on me in 4 different cities of 4 different countries in 4 very distinguished programs in just 12 days. So this is the 11th record which we could create during the festival or for the festival, whatever one can understand. And I'm very happy that the large audience, 6,000 people footfall on first day, 5,000 on second day, and almost 6,000 on the third day has actually forced me to declare now that Global Literary Festival is the biggest academic literary festival in the world.
Hi. First I'll give my intro. I'm Deepika Chabra, and I'm in the advisory and consulting for all the high commissions and nations here, all the embassies primarily. And I'm also a member in the Delhi Legislative Assembly, the Vidhan Sabha. So the reason I'm giving my background, the experience we come from, this show was pretty avid. I have to tell you, अगर में कोई भी student first time ramp walk कर रहे थे, they were there. there was hardly anybody who was missing the notch or something. The outfits were impeccable, excellently executed. I think the team who's designed the whole show, curated the whole event, perfectly done. Outfits were in place, designers, the people who walked from the people who've curated, everything was perfect. I have to tell you people, the designing was commendable. There was no creases, there was perfect finesse of the outfit, finishing बहुत अच्छी थी. यही सब फ्यूचर डिजाइनर्स बनेंगे आपके इंस्टीट्यूट के, और उसके बाद सुपर मॉडल्स और मॉडल्स बनेंगे. They were so good height, the kids who were walking in, pretty good. I was telling Sandeep ji back and forth that this is commendable.
It was beautiful. So basically I am alumni of this college also. तो अब तक जो लेवल देखते आई थी मैं फैशन शो का, ये हर साल बहुत बेटर होता जा रहा है. एंड आउटफिट्स इतने ज्यादा अमेजिंग है. लास्ट का एक डेनिम का आउटफिट था विच आई लव्ड इट, क्योंकि आप इन जनरल कॉमन डेज में भी आप उसको पहन सकते हो. सो इट वाज अमेजिंग.